How to add a picture choice field in SurveyHeart forms. With SurveyHeart Premium, open the SurveyHeart app on your mobile. Select the form where you want to add a picture choice field. Tap Edit Form. Tap Add Questions. And choose the picture choice field. Then, enter your question in the input field. Tap Add Pictures to select image choices from your gallery. Repeat the steps to add all your picture choices. Submit the form to save your changes. That's it. The respondent selects their answer visually using images and submits the form, while you receive their input instantly. No more boring forms, just engaging, picture-based responses. Start collecting responses the smart way with the picture choice question type, only on SurveyHeart Premium. Thank you.